Hey guys, welcome to Future Tech TV. Today we have a special unboxing. Like I promised yesterday, we have the unboxing of the Oneplus 6 Mirror Black Edition. The phone actually comes with a great packaging from Amazon. It took around 3 days to actually get it delivered to my friend's house. The phone is actually my friend's, it's not mine. So yeah, you can see that the phone looks really good. It looks amazing. The notch is actually visible even when the phone is off. The phone comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and the top notch Snapdragon 845 processor as well. It comes with dual camera, and we can also see that the notch has some sensors in it as well. The chin on the phone is actually a bit small compared to other smartphones with the similar design. In the box we get a USB Type-C charging cable and the dash charger, which is one of the fastest charger we can get for a smartphone right now. And the package also contains a TPU case which is given by OnePlus to protect the smartphone. Well, it is not of that great quality, but it will do as long as we are careful with it. And the phone actually looks amazing from the front. The entire phone is covered with the screen on front, and the main design change is that the alert slider has been changed from the left of the phone to the right of the phone above the power button, and on the left we only have the volume rockers, and on the bottom we have the USB Type-C charging port as well as the headphone jack. Yes guys, the headphone jack is still present on the Oneplus 6, and on the back we can see the fingerprint scanner as well as the two dual camera setup on the Oneplus 6, which will enable you to take great selfies as well as great portrait shots as well. And the display looks absolutely gorgeous. It is only a 1080p panel, not like the Galaxy S9 or the S8. It is just a 1080p panel, but it will help in actually increasing the battery life of the smartphone as well. I got like 10 or 15 minutes to use this smartphone. It is one of my friend's smartphone, and I really want to thank him in this occasion. So the phone is actually really snappy, and it is really light to use. It has a really bare bone user interface. Here is a look at the smartphone compared to a Vivo smartphone which has a similar design. As you can see, the chin on both of the smartphones are almost similar, but the Vivo's is a bit more larger, and the display quality is really good on the OnePlus. And the camera is really bright, and it lets in a lot of light compared to the Vivo smartphone. As you can see in this picture, the OnePlus image is actually really bright as compared to the Vivo smartphone, and both the screens looks almost identical. So that's it for today guys. This was just a small unboxing video of the OnePlus 6. I will soon be uploading a camera review as well as some other reviews for the OnePlus. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment what you want to see in the next video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out guys.